Well, taking the mound tonight for the Tampa Bay Rays, making his 14th start of the season, right-hander Alex Cobb.
This went back to the mound. Cobb with that diving leap and a pickup and the throw to first. It lifts it into left. Zobrist is right there, and that will retire the side. Santana chases this one in the dirt. And they complete the strikeout, and we're seeing that tonight with Casali coming up here with a base hit, scoring the first run of this game. Cut the miss, and Suzuki's out number 2 in the 4th. Ground ball short. Escobar to second to Figueroa for the force. Hit on the ground to short. Escobar makes the throw as he departs with 2 men on base, and we'll be back with the new Rays pitcher in a moment.